Hello guys, very good day. Welcome to another video of Knowledge Power. Today we are going to check how you can see which version of Windows you are using. It's a very simple step. All you need to do, go to the start button. When you click on that, you will see there is setting. When you click on setting, you will be able to see this screen, and then you need to go update and security. When you click on that, you can see on your right hand side there is an option for OS build info. When you click on that option, you can see your device name, the processor that you are having in your computer, the RAM that you are having, the product ID, which operating system you are using, and here you can see the main thing, the Windows specification. That currently I am using Windows 10 Pro, and this is installed on this date. I hope this video you find it good and very useful. So thank you very much guys. Have a great day. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.